Hello everyone, it's Shane and I'm back again to spread some shaynepea goodness to everyone. So previously I made a video about the basics of film photography, which I was really happy about. And after that I realized that I could make something like a quick follow-up regarding that. Maybe like some of the outputs I took with my cameras, and that is one of the reasons why I made this video. One of my main goals when it comes to film photography is of course trying to immortalize or capturing life's precious moments. And that is really essential for me because I am a memory hoarder and I really like looking back into those moments that I got to spend, especially the moments wherein I feel really happy or extremely sad, or just when I feel emotions. I would really like to look back on those days. Yeah, that's quite a nice. And that's why I made this video, to share with you guys some of the photos I took with my film cameras, the ones from my disposable camera and the ones from my rangefinder camera. Before we get into my photos, I would just like to also inform everyone about the giveaway that I recently threw from my last video. So I am giving away one film camera, which is a point and shoot. That's the Kyocera Microtech 70 zoom. So if you're interested with that, guys, go ahead and watch my previous video and look at the description box and you can see the mechanics from there. I'm really looking forward for you guys to have your first film camera or your second or your third with this giveaway. To everyone who has joined already, thank you very much and good luck. And without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the photos I took with my disposable camera. Okay, there you go. This is the first photo. Okay, so the story behind this is, because of the pandemic, my friend's wedding had a lot of modifications, from invitations and stuff, from people who will be able to join them on their day. And on this day, we weren't really invited to go physically, but we were invited to watch it online. But our other friend invited us to go ahead and surprise her on this day. Come on, man, this is life's precious moment. Next, this photo was taken few minutes before we actually surprised her. We were changing clothes to make it like a little bit formal. And this one, right after the wedding, we went somewhere to have lunch. So we stayed there until it was nighttime. So you can really see the background, but that was a perfect view of the Taal volcano. We were in Tagaytay that time. Next, okay, I look like I am curing my hangover here. Let's just skip that. Next, this was the day I went to the salon to cut my hair, and then I went to Krispy Kreme to buy some Blackpink donuts. So there, I got my Blackpink donut with my Pepsi Lisa bottle. And then next, I went out on a coffee date with my pregnant friend, my best friend Andrea. So I decided to take a few shots of her because I think that's also life's precious moments. We went to this local coffee shop in Taytay. It's called Typica. And I really enjoyed my butterscotch. So next, that's me looking like my mom in her teenage years because of the outfit and of course the look of the photo. I like the grains here. It really looks natural, looks really vintage. And next, that's with the flash. So I really look like I'm gonna punch someone in the face. Next, that is her on her coffee date. I don't know if she's happy with me, but I bet she was. That's her chocolate drink. And we took a few shots in her place, so that's it. I stayed there up until nighttime. There. That's another one. And then of course me, who doesn't smile. I don't really like smiling in photos. I don't know why, but I don't know. But when I don't smile or when I don't feel like I have emotions, trust me, I am happy. I just don't really smile in photos. Next, okay, so I was skating alone this time in BGC, and I found this place that kind of looks like South Korea, and there, I took a photo of it. It really looks cool. So I was skating alone. And then that's me. I asked some guy in his motorcycle to go ahead and take a photo of me, so he willingly took this one. And I really like this photo. That's it for my disposable camera photos, and let's get straight into my rangefinder photos, which I am really excited about. First photo is my friend, my friend slash mentor slash big brother, and I took this photo because I feel like I haven't really taken a photo of him in one of our happy getaways. Next, that's me in Baguio. So I really like this photo so much because details are really clear, the lighting is really good, and my smile is Okay, next, that's again my brother, my mentor slash friend. This is in front of her B&B. It's really cool. There's a lot of tall trees there, which I really found amazing, especially when you wake up in the morning and that's the first thing you see. I also really like this photo because of the bokeh. You can see the background, which is really blurred, and that's just me, and that's a silhouette. I don't know, something is artsy about this photo. That's why I really like it as well. And next, of course, a picture of me, my brother, and my sister, and that was us trying to have a little party before my brother left the country for work. So you can see my sister is already reddish because we're a little bit tipsy that time. We were drinking alcohol and stuff. And that's me in Alabang. So we can have a face-off of this photo with the iPhone shot. And then that's me smiling on rare occasions. And then we went to have our early dinner with my friends. So that was one of my friends, and I asked him to smile for me for the camera. And because I really enjoyed trying the 1.4 lens of this camera, so that's why I took this one. You can see the background, it's super blurred, and the subject is super sharp. And the next photo, the subject might not be super sharp, but the background is super blurred. We're good to go. I was having problems with the rangefinder patch this time, that's why. Next is this photo. Yep, some random photos. And my other friend, although he dislikes this picture because of his face, but I would just like to share with everyone the 1.4 lens. That's why I'm still including this. And that's me. Very detailed, very clear. I really like it. And this was the time when I went to work and I took the train. So I saw the guard and some civilian, and I thought, yeah, let's take a photo of this. I accidentally opened the back door of my camera, so this leaks happen. Sucks, but this is still the same station that I went to for work. And then to some people who don't know that I really like low light film photography, so here's some of the shots that I took in Cubao. I was alone this day. In our subdivision, I saw this really blossoming flowers, and I took a photo of it. I really like this. It looks like a cover, an album cover. And another low light photography in Cubao. Lights are good, the grains are natural. I really like it. And then some of the mangoes my relatives sent us. The sun is really great this day. And yeah, I was also skateboarding this day, and I found this house really pretty, and so I took a shot of it. And then of course, my most favorite, I like the way they are together, and it feels like maybe I should lower down and try to capture this image. And so when it came out, when I had my films developed, I really feel good about this photo. And I guess that's one of the few things that film photography makes you feel good, elated. That's what's important to me. So it doesn't matter really what camera or roll you're using, as long as when it comes out and it makes you feel good, that's good. That's what it's about. And then lastly, a photo of me skating in our subdivision. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed some of the photos that I took, and I hope that inspired you to shoot your first roll, or if not, if you have been into film photography for a long time and you stop, just go ahead and grab your camera again, because there's a lot of things to capture. There's a lot of moments to immortalize, like me. And you don't really need to bother too much about the technicals and stuff. As long as you're enjoying and as long as you're happy with the output, then don't worry too much. Go ahead, grab the camera and shoot your life's precious moments. Go ahead, do it. And this is me again, Shane, and I hope I brought you some shaynepea goodness today. Bye!